I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to solder a beautiful 22 karat gold Roman setting to a backsheet. The fastest and easiest way I know. Alexis has the beautiful top of her Roman setting all done and cleaned up. So she has a 24 gauge backsheet, 24 gauge backsheet, something just with a little more beef to it. Pays flux, 20 karat soft. We've got three biggish balls on there. We were talking before, should we add another? And then I was like, let's go with the three and we'll see, because we can always add more. But this procedure is exactly like when you're soldering a bezel to a backsheet, or pretty much anything with a backsheet. We'll dry it a little bit gently to make sure that the solder stays up against the bezel. But once it's done that, we're just gonna kablamo from underneath. Hot and fast, we're just gonna keep it steady right on there, and you'll see it'll go quick, which is the way we like to solder. I'm gonna let Alexis do it. Did you stop the filming? No. Well, then I'll cut that out. I'm gonna let Alexis do it, so she's gonna show you all her fantastic soldering skills. So just to show you, here it is, beautiful Roman setting. Pays flux, we've got 3 pieces of solder, like so. So we're gonna dry it gently and then away we go. And I was just actually explaining to Alexis that when you're drying the flux, it doesn't matter whether you do it from the top or the bottom, as long as you go gently and hopefully just kind of watch and make sure that little pieces of solder don't bounce around where we don't want them. And remember, as long as they stay up against the bezel, I don't really care where they go. So it doesn't matter that they stay like equidistant, you know, spaced apart or anything like that. Are you ready to go?
I think so.
To turn it up, man. I want to hear it. Kablamo! There you go. Gorgeous. Just hold it steady right underneath. Look at that. Ta-da! See how fast that was? That's how we do it. I'll show you a little close-up of how good that looks. And after Alexis complained that I set her up with too much stress and pressure, look at the gorgeous job she did. I'm going to show from the other angles, and then I'll show you also out of the pickle. But you notice, if you go nice and fast like this, things don't get all that oxidized. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is high karat gold, which doesn't oxidize too much. But like, look how clean that seam is. That looks booteous. See, look at that. That is one sexy solder seam. And Alexis was worried about showing off her soldering skills to all of us. And look what she did. Mwah! Beautiful. So her next step now is she's just going to cut away the excess and start filing.